internal workings, I'd say, than we do of other Justice Departments previously. And I was trying to think of a way that we might like assess the state of
Ten cuenta que tú vas ahí. Okay.
Ani Shane.
Porque tú no conoces a la enamorada por ejemplo.